Hi, I'm Jeannie Jacobs. Today I'm going to show you how to truss a chicken. Do you know what trussing means? Basically, to truss a chicken, you're going to make the chicken compact. A great way to make sure your chicken is cooking evenly and it maintains its shape and your wings don't burn. So that's why we truss the chicken. Now, the first thing you want to do when you truss a chicken, you want to clean the bird out. See the neck? You have fat, you have like gizzards, you have livers rather inside the chicken. So you want to drop your hand in there and pick all these little precious little pieces out, okay? Because these you're going to use to make stock. Now, you see inside the chicken, you have a lot of stuff. You have blood vessels, fat. What you want to do is take your finger and actually clean the cavity of the bird, okay? Because you really don't want to eat that. That's nasty. So what I do is turn on the water and clean my bird very well. I even rinse the outside of the bird. This little fat, I usually just go ahead and throw it into this bowl that will go into the chicken stock. Now, sometimes you notice that you find remnants of where the feathers were. I always make sure I remove those as well. Now, once the inside of this bird is clean, the outside looks really good. See, clean bird. No more of that yucky stuff. Is dry your bird off, okay? Get as much water as you can out of it before you truss your chicken. So I just dry with paper towels. Salt and pepper. Sometimes what I do, I'll actually use herb butter. Actually, I'll do that today. I'll show you how after I apply the salt, how I use herb butter. And I actually place the butter underneath the skin of the chicken. With the herb butter, it just keeps the juices in the chicken, okay? So what I'm talking about is you want to take your fingers and basically lift the skin of the chicken and just place your butter in between your fingers, the chicken skin actually, and the breast. And believe it or not, when you roast this bird, you're talking about yummy, yummy goodness, just juiciness everywhere. So you see the butter pats underneath the skin? This will roast this chicken very nicely and turn the skin golden brown, and the meat will be juicy. You need twine to truss your chicken. So typically, you want to use 5 chicken lengths of twine. I usually do 6. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I actually find the middle of the twine. So what I do, take your twine, do this. This is the middle. Take the middle and place it underneath the bird. What I'm going to do is actually take the twine and wrap it around twice around my wings. So I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, because I want to pull these wings back underneath the bird eventually. Same on this side. 1, 2. Okay. Now once that's done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the bird over. Okay. So you're going to flip the bird, bring the twine up. And what you're going to do is essentially pull your wings back, okay, behind the bird. That's what's going to happen. And this one came off a little bit. So I've tied my wings back, you see? Now you want to tie the twine down. So you got to twist the twine twice. That's 1, 2. You hear that? Then you want to flip the bird over. There are your wings. Bring actually this part of the chicken up, the breast. And what happens when you bring the breast up, your chicken becomes quite compact. So I'm going to turn the bird this way. Look at that. Okay? See what the chicken looks like. So the breasts are straight up. The chicken has been pulled in. Now what you want to do, you want to get your legs. You want to tie those together. Just like that. 1, 2. And what I do is take the wings, tuck them, and tuck. And you have a nicely compact bird. Sometimes if the wing doesn't want to go in, because you know, A wing can be stubborn. What I do is try to create a pocket inside here. And you find the twine and go ahead and get the tip of the wing in that twine. Just like this. See? And once that's done, you got a bird that's ready to roast. There we go. So you're gonna see like 15 million different ways to tie down this bird. You find the way that works best for you. And I found this way is simple. It works best, and I get my wing tips tucked in every time, and my bird, time after time, when I roast it, remains juicy. It cooks evenly. I don't have blood running out of it, and the chicken just tastes great.